Horrific new details about exactly what prosecutors say happened to Jassy Correia the night she was allegedly kidnapped from outside a Boston nightclub and later killed. 32-year-old Coleman appeared in federal court in Delaware this afternoon and agreed to return to Boston to face a kidnapping charge. Court paperwork filed over the weekend laid out the lengths Coleman allegedly went to try to cover up his crime. WBZ's Christina Hager is here now with the details. Christina?
Well, Paula, there is no murder charge at this point, but the charge Coleman does face could be even more serious because it is at the federal level, kidnapping resulting in death. That carries a possible sentence we don't have in our local courts, the death penalty.
The prosecution in this case is using all of the tools in their box.
Legal analyst Jennifer Roman says the case against Coleman veered into the hands of federal law enforcement when it crossed state lines from Boston, where the Raytheon engineer allegedly met Jassy Correia after a night at Venue nightclub, to Providence, where he lives, and Delaware, where they found the young mother's body in his trunk.
And when you have a situation like this where there appears to be a lot of very damaging evidence, the prosecution is giving the defendant the choice: plead guilty to life without parole, or we're going to seek the death penalty.
A look through the Boston federal court affidavit shows a more than 4-day-long timeline from security camera footage. Sunday, February 24th, 2:15 a.m., Correia leaves Venue and gets in a car with Coleman. 4:25 a.m., Coleman carries Correia into his Providence apartment. On Tuesday, February 26th, he returns to his apartment with Walmart bags.
He bought 3 Tyvek suits, duct tape, 2 candles, electrical tape, a mask, surgical gloves, safety goggles, an odor respirator, and bleach.
Next day, Wednesday, February 27th at 9:58 p.m., he returns to his apartment with a suitcase. Then on Thursday, February 28th at 1:15 a.m., he puts the suitcase in the trunk of his car and is arrested in Delaware that afternoon. Attorney Lelling said federal and local investigators are also looking into other missing person cases. They'll be running his DNA and taking steps to cast a wider net. David?